Mike Foster here and Wendy Foster. We're going on a picnic. So what do you need for a picnic? You need a really good sandwich. And we're going to one of the nicest sandwich shops in St. George. It's called the Great Harvest Bread Company. And what they're famous for is fresh, delicious bread. So we'll look at the bread and we're gonna get a sandwich. What are we gonna do after that? We're going to eat the streets. All right, there's a sandwich. I got we got tomato, we got turkey, we got some cheese, we got onion, lettuce on a fresh sourdough bread. Let's see how this baby tastes. All right, let's dig in. It's a good looking sandwich. Oh, and look at it, it's fresh turkey. Look at this, it's real turkey. Just take a bite. Mike East the Street. The wind just whipped up, but look how beautiful it is here. All right, I'm gonna judge this. Turkey's fresh. Nice breast. A little dry, probably could use just a little more mayo. The bread is gorgeous. I'm gonna give this a 7.9. Haha. Where am I again? Great Harvest. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 and on my socials. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
That was a damn good intro. What is it called?
Great Harvest.
Thank you, baby. For more video, sorry.